Alright guys, we're going to start this video with a little bit of a throwback. Think back to like 4th grade or whatever when you learn long division. And this is the process you do. Your teacher shows you a problem like this and you set it up where 15 is outside the little division sign, 2,735 is inside. And then what you do, by the way, this is important. Don't just gloss over this. I am showing you this for a reason. You think about how many times does 15 go into 27, it goes in once. Then you subtract and you get 1, 2, then you bring down this next term and you try to think about how many times does 15 go into 123 and it's 8. Then what you do is 8 times 15 to see what goes here and it's 120, blah, blah, blah. You guys know how to do this. I'm almost done, but I do want to show you an important thing of how this applies to dividing polynomials. You're going to use this exact same process. Last thing you do when you're dividing using long division is you write your remainder on top of that guy. You would write 5/15. I'm going to reduce that to 1/3. Remember this process, how you subtract things, bring down the next term. It's going to be the exact same process you use when you're dividing polynomials using long division. You're going to see once you start going into these problems how to go through it when these are x's and x squareds instead of actual numbers. But the important thing to think about is the process that you guys have known for a long time. You start by looking at how many times does 15 multiply into this first term. You write your answer there, multiply, and then subtract. Bring down your terms as you go. The last step is to write your remainder on top of this thing here. Be really careful with that. Use that process for long division of polynomials.